Hello guys, today I am going to sketching a Lasith Malinga's image in Python. So you can see my code. First I import sketchpy library for the code, and then I load my SVG file and set the scale. So this is only 3-line code and very simple code. So anybody can run this from your PC. Now I am going to run this and you can see how it works.
Lasith Malinga.
Oh, morning! Colin Munro has been cleaned up by Malinga, so we'll pop back upstairs, boys.
Yeah, this was very much on the cards, and Malinga was looking for this angle. He's cleaned him up with a brilliant delivery. Created a gap between bat and pad. He's mostly a massive striker down towards mid-wicket and square leg. This time got it all wrong, and Malinga, with a finger raised, has done it again for Sri Lanka with an early breakthrough. Gone for 12, 15 for 1.
Striking on the pad, they're asking the question, will they go upstairs? They have.
Oh, close. And wickets hitting. Fabulous review taken by Lasith Malinga. Brilliant piece of cricket.
Yes, that's a confirmation. Brilliant review. Sri Lanka got 2 wickets in 2 balls. Rutherford goes off the very first delivery. The type of start Sri Lanka needed. He's on a hat-trick. Lasith Malinga. Grandholm is the new batsman. Well, the crowd's gone wild. The mobile phones are on. The lights are on. Grandholm on strike. Will this be the hat-trick? Let's see. He's got a hat-trick! Lasith Malinga, you beauty! You've got a hat-trick! And it's 15 for 3. What brilliant bowling by the Sri Lankan captain. Well, he's turned it around, and what a magnificent delivery.
He's looking at the big screen. He's looking where they'll get a reprieve or not. So we talked earlier about him creating a bit of drama. This could be a massive anti-climax. Is some part of that heel behind the crease? That is what the third umpire is looking to read here. What do you think, folks, at home? What do you think? It's mighty tight.
Will it be a no ball? Will it be a no ball? Let's see what happens. I think it's a confirmation. The third umpire confirms he's having something behind the line. Oh, what a moment. What a moment. And